Okie dokie. Everything seems to be in order. In order. We are gonna continue on. So today's plan. Today's plan is, I think, pretty simple. So what I need to do is, let's say your mouse cursor is here or whatever. On this point, we need to create a circle. No, more like a dot, like a circle that it can now track. So we need to take this position, feed it into the circle, and draw the circle wherever the thing is. It could be a game object. I think it might be like a game object that they call, and it's just gonna be a PNG. And then we're gonna update its position, update the PNG's position with the position of the thing. That's gonna be the idea.
What the fuck am I looking at?
Unity, I guess.
Yeah, there's just so many fucking things everywhere.
Yup.
Probably the most overwhelming software ever.
Oh, have you not used Unreal? It's worse.
Unreal. I know Unreal's worse, but this is like on that same
It's once you
level.
one of the tutorials is it like shows you the whole UI and interface, and you
Yeah,
and that made me just not be overwhelmed at all.
but there is just every single UI element has things, and every single thing has things, and every other thing has other things.
That's why you first go through the tutorial that explains all the
What do
view.
you think I'm doing right now?
Well, I think you skipped the part where that's because you're going straight
No.
into the thing.
I didn't skip anything.
Then I don't know.
I skipped absolutely nothing. I went to their Learn Unity thing, and it says upload a project, and I'm going through the project now.
I think there's steps before that.
No, there isn't. That's where it starts.
Weird. I didn't have that. I had like basic stuff before that. Nope. It is what it is.
You fucking blame me, and I'm just literally doing a thing.
Okay. Yeah. Unity learn. And learn.unity. Come on. Open up. Okay. Okay. Unity Essential Fundamental Explore Unity. Explore Unity. Real-time creation. Fundamentals of real-time 3D. Fundamentals of programming in Unity. Fundamentals of real-time. Which ones of these have I done? Learn. Unity Essentials. Unity Essentials. Pathways. Foundation. Get started with Unity. What you need to learn? Get started with Unity. Identify, creating your managed scenes, navigate in 3D space and 3D view.
Yeah, what do you mean fuzzy? Literally goes from all these, like, just you gotta install it, straight to go into the micro game thing.
I'm looking at the thing I did. Where can I open it? Where? No, not the pathway discussion. Choose get started with Unity. Start creating, start learning, start organizing. So don't install Unity, complete micro game. Use customize your game experience. Explore Unity editor in depth. Wait, what the have they changed it? Because I see explore Unity in depth. Okay, explore macro game, explore Unity editor. This part. When is this? What is this?
Okay, so I'm here. So it wants you to first complete this, I think. It just wants you to go through the tutorial of this
Okay.
enemy thing.
Yeah, I have a little bit different.
And then go into editor tools, whatever.
Why would they do it like that? Shouldn't it be smarter to explain? Okay, weird.
It is explaining kind of what stuff should, I don't know, roughly. I mean, tell me how to use the gizmos and everything else. And stuff, and I can change numbers around, kind of, I don't know.
I think that's too much. Like you're just like now overwhelmed.
No, I'm not overwhelmed by this tutorial. I'm just looking around in the thing, and I'm like, whoa, is there a lot of things here?
Yeah.
That's basically what's going on.
Okay. Okay. Turning back to this. So that's the first thing. We need to create this. Then, on the point of our first click, it should, and while it's held down, it should create a bigger circle. This is gonna be the area on which we can move the thing. Then, from here to through also this that is created on the click, there should be a raycast or something that tells the distance here, so that we can get the power from, like, let's say here's like 50% power, 75, 25, you know, like that. And we can, if we gauge the distance, we can calculate the percentage of the power, and then we can do that shit. And we can do that shit, and it's great.
Why can I?
Then another thing is you can.
Oh, thank God.
Then you can
I
also.
didn't know you could do this.
Yay!
If you hold a right click in the move mode, you can actually use WAS to move around the level.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. Forgot
Ooh,
about that. But I
It's so much easier than.
I only work currently in 2D, so I don't really have that. Okay, and then next thing is when this gets moved, I need to have a raycast. Like, let's say we move and the circle's here now. Like, this circle is now here. We need to do a raycast through it, and then get like the X axis and the Y axis, and get the angle here. And that angle is gonna adjust to the object angle of Y and X, and then it will adjust if it needs to turn like 20 degrees that way, it will, and it's gonna turn, you know. Pretty much this is gonna become this, and then we turn it around. That's all. Problem is I don't know how to do that. I could create one raycast, several raycasts, I don't know. So that's what I need to figure out today. Okay. First, I need circles. This is shit you shouldn't see. So I'm gonna hide this for a little bit.
Oh, and the arrows also work.
Okay. I should have like circle thingies they used for videos a while ago. Shit. I don't know where I put them. Work? Photos. There we go. I have circles. Great. So we'll have 2 more assets. We'll go assets. We have scenes,
Yeah.
package, anime. Oh, what's in here? Editor. Oh, there are things in here. Jesus Christ. Okay. In my
What
assets,
the fuck?
create folder.
Oh my.
Joystick. And then in here, we'll have 2, actually 3 assets. Boom.
Okay.
Bam, bam, bam. This, this, and this. Okay. Okie dokie. Like that.
Scale to.
All scenes. There we go. Let's pull in this one.
Or I'm gonna break the game.
Nice. That's great. Do it.
Okay, is he? Okay, does he see my screen?
Yes.
This is what I think the default enemy looks like.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Like, make it more fucked up. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Just a frisbee at this point. You just made a 2D game, Cass. Accident. It's just a blade. Oh, it's big.
What in the? Alright.
Mouse post sprite. That's good.
We'll added an enemy prefab. Assets and add exciting variety of customizations to your game.
Ooh, actually, first thing, the things that I made yesterday, I think I need to yank them all out. They need to be made into a separate document. That's just
There you go.
the debug debug
Yes.
thing. I'm gonna make a
Oh,
separate
no.
document, see if I can do that. And camera, add component, debug. Okay, we have our debug text. It's connected to the camera. So now, if I go
You coming back?
yoink, delete all of that. I'll put it in here. I don't know why it splits it up like that.
Even increases hitbox.
Oh fuck.
Toggle magically.
Magic.
This hitbox. Why can't I click on these?
Okay. And then go and debug like this. And
Whoa.
okay.
Did I break it? Ready?
Sure. And it's system. There we go. Come back here. We'll just go that. And then we'll go both of these. Okay. Save. Save. Compile. Shit. Shit.
Do you really practice a lot?
Supposedly no. Unless you do some really dumb shit, it usually does not.
Oh, you can drag things off different monitors? Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Pretty poggers.
Haha, poggers.
I'm down, Frenchie. You kind of move things anywhere, that's kind of neat.
Yeah.
You seen that?
Seen what?
You can drag the tabs anywhere.
Oh yeah, yeah.
in the window.
I just like the default one. I did have I had different setups for animation when I did animation, but in general I leave it at default. It feels good for me.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
No one does.
Window, layout. Oh god, that's not what I wanted.
Okay. I need to get. Okay. Actually, I'll need to get this and need
Where
to.
did the tutorial go? Ah,
Oh no.
don't.
Remove this and both of these. Man, it's kind of nice to program in an actual IED. ID.
I want to use an IED.
Suicide. Suicide is the best side. Yeah. Player rot, transition location, player rot, and player.
I guess it's been a while
pause.
since you've been done some programming.
Not counting Code Wars, yes, it's been a solid while.
I do not like shooting IDs.
I know you don't.
Yeah, and the only one that's even good is Visual Studio. I think there's some other ones from program languages, but for the most part.
Currently, I'm trying to use Unity with Visual Studio Code. Honestly, works great. After I installed all the extensions, had no problems. Works actually as expected.
I had problems with the code. It just broke with bigger projects.
It might break later, and then that's the beauty of it. I
You
have
can
both of
open,
them.
like small files, it doesn't have any problems. But the second you go into big projects, it dies. It died so often. It was annoying.
Well, thankfully, game development I think is mostly small files, so you
Like,
try
I've
to split
never
it up as
had-
much as you
I've
can.
never had Visual Studio Community crash once, and I think I had code crash like 5 times.
Might
Like,
be.
during the course of, like one session, and it's like, just annoying as fuck.
Or your
And
code
sometimes
is
it
bad.
wouldn't No, what doesn't matter? It's no bad code. It's just, the thing breaks. You add 3 variables, and now it forgets you added them and just doesn't recognize them. And yet, I've never had that once with Visual Studio.
I don't know.
It just works.
Okay. I kinda just made a joke, but you know, okay, it's fine.
No, you triggered me, so I'm really tangent.
Full rees.
In this tutorial, you'll learn how to import assets. Well, that's the part everyone on Steam pays attention to.
Yeah, they only have those. Fucking goddamn it.
Listen to this part of the tutorial, everything else is skipped.
Yeah, probably. They're like, oh, assets? Oh. I've yet to use any assets. Everything that I have here is made by me, so it's not great.
Does it count if I watch a tutorial how to make an asset? Is it then my asset as well? So I technically made it?
If you follow it one by one, you know, it's a tutorial asset.
Hey, if I built a table, alright, watching tutorial online.
It is your
Is it
table.
not my table?
It is.
I built that shit.
Yeah. Even if you build it one by well, there is the question of intellectual property, you know. But like, I think if it's a tutorial that's like follow this step by step, You cannot be like, how did you steal my intellectual property?
Like I told you, like how to make it.
I literally told you,
With detailed
step.
descriptions.
Literally, here's the video evidence of you teaching me to make it. Unless they've like, you cannot use this commercially. They can just shut the fuck up, honestly. They cannot do shit. Oh god.
Well, it's very hard to prove it's not it's their asset. Like change
Yeah.
the color and a couple things. Or like, what if I'm making like a 416 in the game? I mean, I guess the HK kind of owns the that, but yeah, I don't know what happens then.
like,
call it the HP 420.
oh, that's what CS:GO does. They just kind of have
no,
change it a
they-
little bit, and then
They used to do that. Now it's
yeah.
actually 47 and
Yeah.
UMP. No, it used to be like it used to be like the AK, the AGM 40 or like.
There's
the
still a lot of games that
UDP.
do that.
Yeah, UDP.
I don't know what the last.
I think PUBG calls it the M4 416
Yeah.
Or something like that.
I love the fucking GTA. This has, it literally looks like a GTR, but it's an legacy or an elegy or something like that. Like, we know what you ripped off, but you know, technically it's not ripping off because
Yeah,
it's
the I don't know. What kind of guns are there? The AK Kalashnikov would be the Ruskinov.
it's the vodka kosh or vodka.
Vodka Kosh.
Dankush 420.
Dank Kush 420.
Yes.
Loaded in 7.62 by Russia.
That's the girl from another script.
Either through the website or the assets
Okay.
of the Unity editor.
So if I want the variables, I need the player controller dot player pause. Okay. With most positions should still work. Does it? It does not. Everything broke. Everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. Debug text. Oh, what the fuck did I press? Oh. What the hell did I? Okay. I don't need these.
Opachki.
Опачки. Опачки. Опачки тапочки. Oh, am I a dumbass? I might be a dumbass. I might be a mega dumbass. I'm like, why is this not working? Oh, maybe you haven't attached the things to it. And then we press play. A compiler error. What is the compiler error?
Over the package manager.
3710.
Packages drop down. Select my assets.
Debug text has an error.
Select. food packet asset. Then click import. But to open the import
Did
unit.
I just do? Huh? Almost done. Huh. What the fuck? Okay, we'll remove player pause, vector this pause. Fix that.
Oh my, so many things that can go wrong with one single click.
Take break. Have Unity system, Unity UI. What the hell is going on?
Select the assets folder.
What in the bloody hell is going on?
I don't know where the assets stuff
Type
is.
debug text. Okay.
Banana.
Debug text. Mouse down. Well, yeah. It's called on. In have mouse pause. We don't like mouse pause. Mouse pause and debug text mouse pause. Huh? What the fuck? Wait. There. No, there's nothing. Ever since I added it broke, yeah. What the hell?
Select and drag assets into the scene view when you're done. I want cheese. Oh my.
Cheese.
Why is it so big now? What? Or is it? Oh, it's close to me. Oh, that's cute.
Cheese.
Cheese. Vomit.
Cheese.
Cheese and crackers.
Have you seen that meme? Just the dude just goes cheese.
Cheese. White cheese, eh?
Oh, mate.
And white is quite cheesy, innit?
Oh yeah.
Heat the cheese, scale the cheese.
Yeah. Player position, player rotation, player position. We'll have player position,
Look at that. Look at that.
and then we give player the text equals player rot, mouse pause, and player pause. But why is it have issue?
E for cheese rotate.
What? Text debug
Does the cheese have physics?
dot. Oh, does it have a rigid body?
I have no idea. It's an asset. Fuck. Oh. I don't know. The cheese just kind of exists up there.
Shoot it. Does it move? No, probably does not. Well,
It's
well,
like
if you
insane.
want to check if
Oh.
it has a rigid body,
Wait, what?
remember you changed the gravity.
Player.
Yeah, you set gravity to fucking 0. Why am I flying away?
Oh. Oh,
You-
great. I can't go back because I added this thing to the level.
Well, just press play again so it resets.
Oh.
Also, click on the cheese object you brought in. It has a mesh render tree. Yeah, it does not have a rigid body. It's not gonna have physics.
Add rigid body.
At the bottom there's add component. Then type in rigid body, 3D, or just just rigid body, and yep, there we go. That's it. Now if you shoot it in game, it might turn, depending on if your gun adds force or not.
I don't think it. I don't know. It's like a pre thing, so no clue. I didn't make my thing do that.
And now.
Oh, it didn't save.
You didn't say. Just set your like gravity.
You must exit play mode. How do I exit play mode?
Well, press play, not pause. You press pause, not play. Press the other button, the blue one. God damn it! You've been pressing it the whole time, and frustrating. Okay, now click on your player character, cause change his gravity finally. Click on a player character. There we go. Set it to like 10 maybe? I don't know how much. Yeah, set it to 10. Save it. Press play, let's see if you did
The
it.
thing does it have, wait, where is it?
The cheese? Cheese.
It does.
It has mass. It has a mass of 1, so that's not a lot. So if you shoot it, it should just fly away. And I'm getting a phone call.
No.
You might have
Wait,
to.
where is wait, I think the cheese went through the world.
Does it not have a box collider?
Oh, it's
Or
not there
the-
anymore.
Oh, like okay, you might need a collider. You need to add a collider for it.
Wait, I'm gonna do another thing. I'm gonna go,
I have a phone call. I'm gone.
okay.
Klausos. Čau. Neko. Tobrīd sēžu, lasu instrukcijas, mēģinu iemācīties vienu jaunu programmu. Neko tādu. Es esmu vēl vecajā dzīvoklī, jā. Nu, iepriekšējais īrnieks vēl nav izvācies, atslēgas nav atdevis, tā kā es nezinu. Līdz pirmajam ir teicis, ka viņam ir jāizvācās, tā kā līdz kamēr tas tiks izdarīts, tad ir kā ir, es gaidu vienkārši.
Yep.
Jā. Arhīvs? Kā tu to domā? Tas ir dekoderim. Tas nav televizoram pārsvarā. Pārsvarā nē. Dažiem televizoriem ir, bet pārsvarā nav. Jā. Tas ir ar dekoderi, bet ar dekoderi es nemāku rīkoties tā kā tur būtu jāprasa mammai, to var mamma pastāstīt, kā izdarīt. Jā. Nu, kaut kā, tas ir iespējams, es tikai pats to personīgi nezinu, kā tieši darīt. Tā kā, jā, nu kā tā. Tagad... Ui, nē, tur vēl daudz ko bruģēt. Jā. Mēs tur pieķērāmies, es vēl iepriekšējā svētdienā tur biju. Viņam tikai mājas priekšā tur praktiski bija, viņam vēl jāblietē tas bruģis. Nu, daudz ko darīt ir viņiem tur. Viņi pa vakariem tagad lēnā garā cenšas. Tie jau redzēs, varbūt nākamnedēļ brīvdienās būs, bet nākamnedēļ es jau zinu, ka es braucu uz Gulbeni, tā kā redzēs. Šitajās brīvdienās iespējams braukšu viņiem palīgā. Tas ir, ja bet dzīvoklis neatbrīvosies un es varēšu ievākties. Tā kā viss šobrīd karājās gaisā un ir uz jautājumu zīmes. Jā, viss ir diezgan pusmastā, jā. Tā kā es šobrīd pacietīgi vienkārši sēžu un gaidu ziņu no īpašnieces. Tā mēs viena pati. Nē, viņa bija vēl draugi, man liekas, iespējams tur. Bet, nu, tas tā. Nu, tur, cik saprotu, tajā dzīvokli, kas ir palicis, viņiem bija suns dzīvoklī. Un tas suns bija bišķi sabojājis tapetes koridorī. Tad viņiem tās ir jāizlīmē. Nu, bet tur ļoti maza tikai apakšējā līnija tāda kā virtuvē. Viņiem saprotu, ka viņi bija veduši savu plīti. Tad, jo elektrisko, un viņiem tur iepriekš bija gāzes plītis, tad to gāzes plīti vedīs atpakaļ un degs tur iekšā. Un viņam tur vēl kaut kādas mēbeles palika. Nu, un plus mīnus to visu var diezgan ātri izdarīt, es vienkārši nezinu, vai viņi to sākuši darīt. Es jau pats tos cilvēkus pazīstu, es viņiem prasīju iepriekšējā nedēļā, viņi teica, neko nav izdarījuši. Tad man ir skaidrs, ja viņi pat brīvdienās to nevar izdarīt, tad viņi drīzāk vilks līdz pēdējiem. Nezinu kāpēc, bet, nu, ir kā ir. Tā kā. Viena diena mums bija tāda, jā. Oi, mums tik tā, ka nebija Rīgā. Mums lija daudz. Nu, visdrīzāk. Man te centrā nekā tāda tam līdzīga nebija. Tur man viss okidoki. O, jā, man tur jau dod tādas uzdevumus, man tādi uzdevumi tādi jāķīgi, tā kā diezgan laika paiet, kamēr es varu viņus visus izdarīt, bet, nu, lēnā garā jau mācos un jau sāku saprast labāk, un jau mēs priekšnieks jau dod tādas nopietnākus uzdevumus, tā kā iet uz priekšu lēnā garā. Jā. Man pašam ar prieks, ka viss iet labi uz priekšu. Tā kā... Nav. Praktiski tikpat, cik bija. Mazāk man nebija. Pēc pārbaudas laika, jā, būs vairāk. Vienkārši, nu, jānostrādā tas pārbaudas laiks un tajā būs. Praktiski, jā. Un sanāk jūlijas... Jā, jūlijas, augusts, septembris, tad ar oktobri sanāktu. Jā, te jau arī redzēs, kā ar to visu būs. Šobrīd man viss patīk, man ir interesanti, izskatās, ka viņam arī ir gana labi ar maniem. Nav problēma, tad tik eju uz priekšu un cīnos. Nē, es tagad biju palīdzēt ar bruģēšanu, tā kā nekur es nebiju. Tā kā... Jā. Jā. Izklausās interesanti, jā. Labi, ka vismaz kaut kas tam līdzīgs vēl turpina notikties, tas jau tikai labi. Mēs manās acīs. Jā. Tas ir traki īstenībā. Tas ir diezgan šausmīgi vispār. Jā, nu cerams, ka, nu labākais variants. Bet, nu, jebkurā gadījumā tas ir šausmīgi. Nesaprotu, kāpēc, nu, traki vienkārši. Jā, jā, jā. Jā, saprotu. Nu, domāt, jā, var visādi. Cerams, ka tur viss atrisināsies vismaz ar to, lai vismaz saprotu varbūt cēloņus vai iemeslus. Šausmīgi, žēl. Jā. Oj. Un, cerams, ka ne... Jā. Normāli, jā, čūska jau uz... Nu tā jau okei. Tā jau tik daudz vismaz labi. Nu, visdrīzāk tā arī bija, nu, ko tur spēlējās, domāja, kas tas tāds čūskiņa, un tad ieķērās viņam vairākas reizes. Nu, varbūt tā maigi iekoda, lai viņš paspēja noraut roku nost, un tad iekoda vēlreiz, un... Nu, nezinu. Interesanti vispār, jā. Zelta striķītis, jā. Jā. Oi. Labi, ka vismaz... Nu, jums jautri izklausās. Mums jau Rīgā garlaicīgi vispār nekas nenotiek. Viss ir mierīgi. Jā, nu labi, vai nevajag arī. Gana daudz traku lietu pasaulē. Nevajag vēl pa virsu. Labi, sarunāts. Labi, čau. Alright, I'm back.
Same problem as you.
What?
Okay, so now is the part where it says like, you need to sign with Unity ID. I'm pretty sure I am signed in.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Anyway. So sign with ID.
Yeah.
Create and build.
Yeah.
Select and publish your build on Unity. Select and publish.
Click the no, wait. Is that the right one?
Yeah, it's so small I can't even fucking see what it's showing me.
I think it should be. So publish. Okay, next. So
I didn't do anything.
I don't remember how I really don't remember how I fixed it. I know I did it. It took me, I don't know, like 40-50 minutes of googling until I found what the fuck was wrong. I don't remember, it's a long time ago. Object reference not set to an instance of an object.
Or start making a PC.
Okay.
And now to restart.
Okay. foot, chip, dick's puck, piss. Heavy piss. Ой, блять. Сколебал нахуй. God damn it. Ambiguity between debug text, mouse position, and debug text. What the fuck is ambiguity? Okay. The ambiguity between better. Can you paste your full text or error? This is the script and it doesn't show me any errors when I run it. It's possible you have a script in your project named power. I have debug.txt. Could it be something with debug.txt that it doesn't like that? Rename debug text things. Call debug text things. Deleted. There we go. Debug.text things. You open it up. Still broken. Debug.text things. Did it help? It did! Debug.text brokey. So now I have only 3 errors. I have this random thing. I'll remove that. And we have this. Player control the play post is inaccessible due to its protection level. Is it not a public? Oh shit! It's a public. I'm gonna make all of these public. Public. I didn't have to be a capital P. Public. I wrote float, and we'll also make this public. So all of them are public now. What's now the problem? An object reference is required for the non-static field method property variable. An object reference is required. An object reference. An object reference. An object reference. The object reference. Object reference not set. Unity is telling you that one of the things in the line about script does not exist in case I need an object. What do I mean an object reference? Doesn't this? Aren't these objects technically? I will do data brim. Ooh, data. This will, and I'll get all these. Put them in here. We'll have data updates. Get the updates. Why are you screaming at me? Why is this bad? Method must have a return type. A return type? Since when? Oh wait, dumbass fucking public void. Actually no, it doesn't have to be a public, it can be just a void, doesn't matter. Updates. And data updates go skadoosh, bam. Okay, I'm just gonna put them out of the void thing, it's gonna be that, so just let's updates. And this thing is still mad at me. Class player controller. An object reference required for the non-static field, method or property. So it is it because it's not a static? Public static. Not a static? A public. Yeah, you're gonna be screaming at me? No. So static. Okay. All things should be working now. We'll control S this bitch, control S that bitch. And we'll go back in here, compile all the scripts, and we'll press play. Debug.text has 4 errors? Oh, because debug. Debug.text should not exist anymore. Yeah, delete. Recycle bin. Fuck that. Object reference on set in. Yes. Hello. What's good in the hood?
Restart didn't do much.
Nice. That's cool. Okay. Okay. Good. Because I had so much data that I needed to store about the position of things, I decided to move everything to a separate document so that I have this debug text things in one document and then player controller in a separate document, so it doesn't overlap all the time or just have like a messy document. As per always, every feature needs to be in its own place. Probably smarter would be for me to make a document that's all about tracking all the position of all the things ever. Now that I do have the player controller, so now that I do have my mouse position, how do I set an object location? Okay. I'm getting into the fun part. Jesus. The set object location to a variable. Let's just the position of a variable and then edit the set the position of an object using variables. Yes, there we go. Var store position vector 3, var store position quaternion. Update if input the position transfer position if transfer position store position. This is just to store the position.
fix it, Fuzzy?
What?
Do you have any idea how you fixed it?
I legitimately do not. I think I googled the issue until I found the reason. I wrote like Unity learn can't publish tutorial thing. I really don't remember. It was literally like 6 months ago. I don't remember. And currently I'm struggling. Okay. And scale object does not update properly when the change my object scale in code. Yeah, that works. Void of collision call if call game object name equals bigger. Call game object transform local scale plus new. You refer to the game object. Huh. Okay. Okay.
Wait.
What?
Barrier. Unity exception build target WebGL not supported.
What?
You can see it while it locks my screen.
Dun, 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 dun. Call. It's a call. Collision call. Can I create another? Damn, no. Bad. I can't put it. That's weird. Okay. That's cool. Okay. So so game object name. Okay. I need to create a new game object. Public static game object. Game object, and I'm gonna call it. There. Mouse plus sprite. Mouse plus sprite. And then how do I okay, I'll need to first create a method. Void mouse pause sprite date pem Okay, mousepad sprite update. Update, and this is gonna be if if pretty much just take this. If I put it here, and now if I will get then game object transform stuff, then mouse prospect dot game object dot transform position equals input mouse position. Will that work? That'd be nice. Let's see now. Oh fuck, I'm an idiot. Mm-hmm. 362. 362. Oh. I am what's called a dum-dum. This needs to be on back, and this needs to be here. No, like that. Just like that. Like that. There we go. And then we save that shit. Oh fuck, idiot. Wait. That's sprite stuff, don't need that. Rigid body, don't need that. Script play, huh? Object reference not set and oh shit. Okay, don't need this and don't need this right now.
I think I brokered it. Whatever, I don't think I really care. Right.
It is what it is. Uh,
Oh, it worked for some reason.
okay.
I think because I had apparently at some point I installed Node.js
Yeah.
and used that. I don't even know what Node.js really does.
Node.js.
I think it was supposed to be a tutorial and I didn't end up continuing with it, but I
Yeah.
still had Node.js.
Oh, okay. Player
Didn't mention any of that at any point.
int player health.
Oh my god, it randomly worked.
Amazing.
That's gonna have one problem with this tutorial is like it's very simple, but because it's like Unity, it's so easy to break the tutorial. I assume.
I can specify. Oh, what? Game object dot find. There's get component. Oh, what?
With over 1,000 playable heroes. Sorry. Am I going to the gym today?
Mm.
Do I go to the gym today?
When were you last time at the gym?
A while ago.
How much is a while ago?
Monday? I didn't have time yesterday. I really didn't have time yesterday.
Well, this.
Or no, I mean not Monday. I mean Sunday.
It's 2 days in between gym time.
Did I just leave you?
I guess. Don't know if I'm gonna be here when you come back, but you know. It's fine. Maybe by that time I can. Oh no, get something to fucking work.
You're probably gonna show up with a complete game, and you're gonna show up with a finger.
Dude, I'm still trying to get to.
movement thing.
I currently can't even get the object to have the position that I have stored because I don't know how to refer
Show me
to
what
a
your game
game.
looks like now. It's still just a cube and a collision.
Yes, there's nothing.
thing.
There's I need to make the joystick to even have a way to control the player. That's the problem.
You have no idea what the fuck you're doing.
Does it look like?
No, I mean.
It's like you're surprised.
You do this and you do this, and you're like, I don't know how to do any of these things though.
I know what I need to do. I just need to learn how to do it. I know I could tell that like I want to build a table.
You know what you want to do. You have no idea how to do it.
Yeah, I can build a table, but I don't have an idea how to use the screwdriver, the screws, or glue.
You want car. You don't really know how car works.
Car
You know,
is the
car
way
needs
to.
engine and car needs wheels, but you don't really know how they work.
Pretty much. I know what I need to, and I kind of have it. I just need to make them work, and just one by one, slowly, until I do. How is this gonna work? I don't know. If it's gonna work well, probably fucking not.
Yeah, yeah, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. You know how it is, Mr. Worldwide. That's 0.1 times 0.1 times 0. Like nothing's gonna be correct for this. Everything's bad. Everything's horrible. But if I just persevere, at some point it might be playable. And might be playable is all that I need. Like, the thing is why I'm actually going through this. I could have just literally bought the asset. I think it's gonna be way more fun because I will learn a lot of concepts. And it's all about, this is all about learning. And these concepts I can use in the future. I know how to store references, get references from different files, add data, whatever the fuck. So I need these headaches to not have headaches later. So, where did I leave off? Yeah, right.
Continue.
Reference perhaps to hold the reference to a prefab, i.e. public object prefabs. Player 1 in the instrument shipment, game object transfer position, game object.
I can't find the thing I had earlier where it's like how to fucking find all the tutorials. Or, no, how do I browse content? View all? I don't. No, where find more?
Where find more? Where do find one more? Yes.
Where do I do the dumper?
Dumper.
The dumper cheeks.
Oh, big cheeks, yes. Many variables define what game objects to local get and set objects, static editor flags, scene tag, transform the transform touch the game object. Public method, broad game to, oh my god, there's so much. How on?
The page, I guess. Now the beginning.
Find the game object by name and return it. Okay. There's a get component. Return the component. No. Game object. Create a new game object named name. Okay. Then. Component something else. Send message. Okay. Fuck it, we'll do it a different way.
I'm just gonna get back. Alright, I'll see you for now.
Okay, bye. Mouse. Fucking mouse. Mouse. Pause. Sprite. Sprite equals. First of all, why is it whited out? It should be blue. Why is it whited out? Weird. Or do we do it like and then go equals how it was is it here where those defined object equals game object find, but it looks like public game object absurd avoid awake. Okay, I'll do it here, I guess. Find, and then we'll do what was it? Mouse pause sprite, and we'll have this equals sprite equals game object find mouse pause sprite. Run and debug. Okay, maybe not. Okay, if I switch back into this, will you scream at me? It still says open reference. It's not a thing. Well, it disappeared. Where are you? Where did you go? Are you somewhere? Why is it there? Oh. Shit. I have a feeling that something like this is gonna happen. Because the world 0, 0. It's here, but the scale. I need to change the mouse position. Because when you move the player, it's different. The data used for the player, it goes into like this little data. So what I could do, because it has its 0, 0 set to somewhere else. So if I know the 0, 0 is here, it's not the world 0, 0. What I could do is divide it by 100 or divided by 10? No, divided by 100. Yeah, I could try that. It's not gonna. It might not work. The most. First of all, we need to get most position. So. Actually, we actually get most position here. It's weird. It here it thinks it's in the hundreds, but for an in-game object that's different. I need to somehow like recenter the world or something. Whatever. I'm gonna just work as it is. I'm gonna input the button mouse pause, input mouse pause. Mouse pause equals input mouse pause. But I'm gonna do it differently. We'll do this, and divide it by 100. It should still work. Let's see. Switch back in here. It's gonna do the blah, blah. And then we'll press play. We can see now that it makes a lot more sense. But where is our mouse sprite once again? It's still over there. You can see its mouse sprite's position is still... I think equals... We'll do it here. It is the most inefficient way of doing it. Divided by 100. We'll save that, come back into here. It will reset the script. But... Yeah. Almost. I'm so utterly confused. This is the 0, 0 location. It's still so much farther. Even though you can see the data is pretty much the same. Why is it farther? Why are you farther? The general scale of the world is different? Oh my fucking god. You can see that it goes bigger, but it goes closer, like it catches up to it. My theory is that the world scale is different. Ah, shit. Ah, that's so fucked. How the fuck am I gonna fix this? Like, even though I can give it the position. It's different. Oh my god. How? Like, it's moving well. Like, if, oh my god. I don't even know how to Google this. Okay, so it thinks here is 1.3, 1.8, right? If I take the player and put him there too. 1.3, 1.8. So this is so wait. Mouse position is different than the object position in the world. What the fuck? Unity object position different than the mouse position. You haven't seen the problem the whole time, but this is my problem. You see this? We technically I divided by 100, but the scale is not the same. It's wrong. Position, mouse position. Yeah, this is a thing. This is a thing that people struggle with. Input mouse position returns screen coordinates, while transform position returns the world coordinates. You can transform between these coordinates by using camera world to screen point and camera screen to world point. User input position is camera screen to world point, input mouse. Okay. Okay, we can do this, we can do this. So we need to create a new variable. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh my god. Okay. So we need to create a new variable. It's user input position. I'm gonna call it like mouse input position. I don't know what a variable type is. That's the problem. It's a vector 3. Okay, so in this case it's gonna be vector 2 and okay, we can do this. Public static. What? Why are you green? Public static vector 2. Public. Why static? You know what the hell is going on? Oh no. Public static vector 2. Let's take mouse. Let's say world position. Mouse world position. That's gonna be called. So that's our new thing. Now we need a thing that will convert the thing into that thing. So we will need a thingamabob. thingy-mabob. That, and we'll do void mouse pos to world pos. Mouse pos to world pos. A little bit brim, a little bit brim. There we go. We can instantly just move this bitch into here. Badam. And then we'll have mouse world pos equals, as it's written here, is gonna be this. Camera screen world point into input mouse. What's screen to world point? Camera dot screen. Camera dot. Maybe it's like camera dot no. So the mouse position you would like this. Use an input camera that screen to world point. To world point. I guess not. The object reference is required for the non-static field method property. Camera screen to world point vector 3 assembly. Camera screen to point of vector 3. It only works for vector 3s. Ah! I need vector 2s. One of these should be vector 2. This is vector 3. Oh shit. Shit. Okay. I have an idea. We'll go unity. Unity screen to world point vector 2. Touch point to world point. There we go. Screen to world point vector 3. What? You need to check that you actually have some touch data to work with first. Check input touch input similar. Well, like I said, the first var defined exists. It returns when a line Xcode gives me a GB crash. Either way, Sven is correct. Just for the sake of preventing the code from executing, there is no touch. Because whether also turn the value. Thanks. It solved the crash. It was not expecting the new being the answer. However, this result in a bad result, meaning that every time I enter the touch position, my return bolts Sevilla. I vector to input game touch 0 position. Screen to world point new vector. Y0 print. Oh my god. So, oh god. If we get touch 0 dot position. Why is it 0? So first of all, we need to remove this. And then later on, this is just gonna be this. I can just replace this with this. this. I just need to fucking... I need a vector 2 of this. It's because it's vector 3, not vector 2. God fucking damn it. Why the most position to world and space in Unity 2D plus 3D. How to convert the mouse position to world space in 2D. This is what I need. Vector 2 world position equals camera main screen to world point input mouse position. It's still vector 3. What? But isn't it still vector 3? I'm confused. Confuzzled even. Okay. It can be done with a screen to world point passing to mouse position, which returns vector 3 position of the mouse in the scene like this. Vector 3 world position. Wait, does this mean I can fix this if I change you to vector 3? No. God damn it. But vector 3 world position equals camera. Maybe I need to add that. Dot main dot screen to world point input. Oh, actually 2 dot probably, and also the main being spelled wrong. Probably. Okay. This shit. Wait, let me remove main. Let me see, because I'm a dum dum. Oh, it needs the main. Main dot. Okay, that's weird. We'll save that. Go back into here. It's gonna go for a second. I'll turn that off. I'll turn that on. And then we'll go. I don't see it. Is it correct? It is. Why is it being drawn? Oh, I am not drawing it. Does it not have a sprite renderer? It does have a sprite renderer. So the sprite should be rendered. Why is it not rendered? It's precise. Oh my god. It works now. Yeah. No. I'm gonna on get key down. I will get the position that I'm gonna store, and that's gonna create the circle in which the circle is gonna be. And damn. Okay. I'm losing it a little bit. Not gonna lie. Still. This is great. I just don't know why it's not being drawn. Like it. I don't know why it's not being drawn. Because when I pause it, there it is. Then I press start. It's still there. And when I update its position, it disappears. This version in game view. Does it have a wrong layer or something? It has default layer. I think everything has default layer. This one, I'm not working with layers currently. Don't care. Do not care. Mouse by position. I don't know. Game Wait, technically. Yeah, even clicking, it makes it disappear. I have no idea why. This is progress. This is holy shit, this is progress. So what the fuck I did? So pretty much I followed this, made this bitch vector 3 because it turns out it needs to be a vector 3. Add it to the most position that I put over there. Get the camera screen, but it turns out it needs main. Because I guess it can have several cameras, so it get to define which camera. I think main camera is just main camera. And so we get the world point and it changes into a world point, and now our thing works. We have thing moving, but currently, as you can see, we have an issue. Shit's gone. Shit is hella gone, and I do not know why. I need to understand. Game object in Unity. Okay. Unity game object disappears after updating position. Game object disappears after on arriving at a new position. Yes, good. I think you're moving your character to 0 distance away from the camera, so it is in front of near the clip plane and doesn't get rendered. Change your arrival position, bottom left or bottom right vector to have some Z component. Oh shit! Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Bruh, that makes so much sense. So it's generating too close to the camera because you can. It's Z is minus 10. Why is the Z minus 10? No, that's bad. Z needs to be like 0 or 1 or something. I don't know. What's player? Player is in position of 0. Yeah, we need to make it 0, not minus fucking 10. How to okay, Unity the scripting add to Z add to Z plane. No, add the to it, do these. Assign a plane script to game object, how to make a plane hide by Y instead of Z. Variation of the object. Script with Z minus 10. Most spread position. It's Z. X is going into the minuses? Makes sense. Well, this is the 0, 0. It's not 0, 0. It's minus 3. Where is the 0, 0? 0, 0 is here in the middle of the screen. I guess 0, 0 is about here. Does it matter that the Z, X and Y is fine, but I guess it matters that the Z is minus 10. If I update it to like 0, I still can click it, yeah. How do I add to a certain vector? API vector 3Z. New string m. Convert a string add to a vertex. Scripting add to Z vertex. Create a vertex. No, add to the Z. Just add to Z. Just transform position Z. How do I add to it? And transform local scale X other. Maybe in the calculation itself, can remain the input most position. Most per image equals most neural position, but we will just add most position like plus 10. How do I add to a certain word? Need something. Other transform equals no vector new position y x y and. How do I add to it? The position and z equals 0. Can I just make it that? Can I also inside of this where it updates the position? Okay, let's just do that. And now also inside the z we'll do I'll do equals new most probable position, and also most probable position dot transform dot position or no, cancel this. Dot transform dot position dot z equals 0 semicolon. Vector does not contain a definition of transform. Has for extension method transform accepting the first argument of how do I answer in position new vector 3 and then you have the z-axis. Transform forward? Well, what? Transform position plus minus what? Any other ways? If you want to add a value to a particular coordinate, you have to do this. Transform position equals new vector 3. Transform position x, transform position y, and transform position z plus 1. Oh god. Oh shit. transform dot translate vector 3 forward. If you want to add a value of particular coordinates, you have to do this. Okay. How the fuck am I gonna do this? I make it a little bit bigger so it's more readable in the stream. Why is it even minus fucking? Maybe that's what I need to do. Let's do unity add fucking -10 to z. Why is that? I have no idea. This thing was actually super helpful. We'll close this. We don't need that. How do I add it? Shit, I'm stumped, honestly. Kind of stumped. Ooh. Prefab to 0. Well, if it's a rigid body, you can possibly set the z-axis in the prefab to 0, and then the prefab block z-axis. Might force all prefabs drag to keep the perfect z-axis. The container are under rigid body self-made anyway. You can script to easy, but I'm only going to affect you. This doesn't help me. So I know if I give it a rigid body, I fucking can make it. Well, actually, I might need. No. No, I don't think I do. If I just remove that position now. What are my options? Dot equals 0. Does that work? Wait, does that work? Oh wait, shit. Shouldn't have pressed play. Does that work? Oh my god, that works! Oh my that works! We have it! We have a thing that follows! Yeah. Oh god. Hell yeah. Hails to the ye. Okay. We have that. Now we need the big boy. It's real big boy times. We need to pull in joystick assets. I need to pull in the middle one. Mouse. We'll add pep. It's a bit big. We'll change the scale to like 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5. Maybe a little bit bigger. 0.6. 0.6. No, 0.6 and 0.6. Yeah, no, 5.6, 0.6. That works. Yeah, fine, that's gonna be fine. So, there's the other objective. Yes. So, how we're gonna do this? Not easy. We'll need to create a new game object. So, first of all, we're gonna rename this boy to mouse pause center center mouse pause center. Sure, we'll create a new game object. We'll call this public static game object mouse pause center, and then that. And now we pretty much need to do the same as we did here. We're gonna do like that. Mouse pause center. Mouse pause. I'm gonna update you to mouse pause center. Fucking center update. Yeah. Center update, and we'll instantly just put this bitch in here. Let's put center update and gate button down. Button down. Mouse pause center. Oh, center. Mouse pause center. Game object of the mouse pause world position. So, wait, what will happen if I do this? I'm curious. Like, it's gonna break, right? Press play. It's gonna break, it's gonna break, it's gonna break. Yeah, that makes sense. Because we can see mouse world position. We have mouse world position. We need to get the position only when it's keyed down. Position. We pretty much need to. Can we do the same conversion? Equals. Well, we could do it literally the same thing for the other one. Well, we don't. We need to convert it. We still need to convert it. Yeah, so we kind of have to. mouse. We need another one, so we will need mouse work position and center. That's how we're gonna call it. Center, and then we'll update this to center. So now I know that some of these things can be automated and made better, but I don't care. So this should do the same technically. It's gonna take wait, we need to do this, a mouse pos. We called it center, mouse pos center. Where did it go? Mouse pos sprite. They remove it accidentally. I might have, because I don't see it anywhere. Mouse pos sprite, yeah. Rename mouse pos center with a capital C. Mouse pos center, and we'll set it to 0.6, 0.6, tab 0.6. Oh, that didn't work, so we're just gonna E and E. There we go. Like, these things are gonna not change actually, but you know, whatever, it's fine. Actually, probably need to make this 0. I will do this for this baby too. Okay, we have our mouse pos center. We'll go Control S, and then we're gonna go back into here, and we're gonna go mouse pos center. So mouse pos up, center equals game object mouse was fine. Okay, this is good. Seems fine. Okay, well, let's play. It sees it's scream. It scream at me. It be bad or not? Oh, see? Oh, no. My idea is maybe I can cheat this a little bit. If I make it so that it has a collider, so it just cannot exit it, you know, and like an edge collider, because I don't know if that works like that. If I can have like a thing that interacts in the middle, I can kind of cheat it a little bit, you know. Yeah, buddy. And because every time I click, I create a new center or the position, so I have that position from which to cast a raycast because it's already stored as the mouse world position center. So I have that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Whew. Damn. Okay. Okay. This is good. This is really good. This is solid fucking progress. Solid fucking progress. Hi. Oh, I'm a little bit hyped, but a little bit scared. Okay, now. Now is gonna be the fun part. I'm gonna give him colliders. Circle collider. Oop. I need to create more layers. Add a layer. I'm gonna add a layer called. Oh, this is gonna be joystick. Joystick. That's gonna be the layer. Yup. Now if we go back to our things, we'll need to put them on layer joystick. And mouse sprite 2, also on layer joystick. Now they should not interact with the things, right? I think. Let's see. Yep, they don't interact because they are on different layers. Yeah. Cool. 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 Okay. I'll also give this a circle glider. Its collider is a bit. Oh no. I need to change the scale of the collider itself. Radius. Oh, there we go. 1. Wait, is it 0.2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 6 is good. There we go. That's the radius. We'll go to this big boy. Give you circle collider. Yeah. There we go. 1. Maybe more. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.4, 0.4. There we go. Maybe save this shit. Yeah. Fuck! I hate when he does this. I can't believe you've done this. What was it? 0.4? Yeah. And then save. We'll go cast sprite, add him, circle collider. I think we made it 0.5? Or was it 6? 6, yeah, I like 6. And save. My question that I don't know the answer to is, what the fuck will happen? They do... Oh wait! The layers. Because they also did the layers while... Yeah, it fucking even removed those. Motherfucker, okay. I layer, joystick. Yes. Yosh. We'll give you the layer joystick. I'll give you the layer joystick. And we'll save that. Press play. So now they're nowhere. They do not collide. Is used by effector, offset, radius. Used by effector? I don't know. Like they do, because I keep updating its position, I guess it can't really this kind of sucks. Well, yeah, I'm changing its position, not adding force to it to move it around, right? What if we set it so that it can only move a certain distance? Let's say 3 from the center. Like let's say 0.5. It can move 0.5 from the center. How the fuck am I gonna do that? I don't know. I don't know. Well, technically, if we click here, so no more than that, but in between it can have numbers. The problem is those in between numbers can be more in these positions. Fuck. Oh shit. Shit. God, how the fuck am I gonna do this? I have no clue. Unity force object to stay in an object. To make an object stay somewhere relative to another. Function of transform X rotation, target X rotation with the position, target position, target position. Boom, boom. Okay. Transform position each new vector target position x minus 3, target position y minus f, transform position z. If your 3D game so it's not moving along the axis. This how to make an object stay somewhere relative to another object. Ay, why, yada, you, why, This is a problem. Like I said, it needs to be able to move from 2.5 to 3.5. Can I set it so that it can only move no more than 0.5 in each direction? Oh shit, how the fuck am I gonna do this? Probably would have been smarter just to Google how to make a joystick in Unity, but of course I wanna do the struggle bus thing. Fuck, bro. What if it wouldn't update its position but try to move it to a position? You know? And then it would collide with the edge, so it wouldn't actually be a thing. Actually, I need to experiment. I'm gonna give them both rigid bodies and I'm gonna see what happens when they fall. Like, do they collide, do they not collide? Does the thing stay in? If it falls and it stays in, it means that rigid body 2D. Add that boy. It's fine. And then give you the rigid body 2D. And we have the colliders, we have the rigid bodies, let's see. There you go. When you see when they spawn, it pretty much instantly, it's in it. The second it like updates, goes out of it. So how do I collider inverse the collider? Oh, maybe Unity for Unity Unity collider, maybe edge collider, edge collider. There is a thing that's called edge collider. The edge collider 2D is a collider you can use with 2D physical collider shape. It's from edge, made in a line segment that you can adjust to fit the shape of your sprite. The collider starts at a point and do not need to meet a completely enclosed area, unlike polygon collider 2D, and can form a straight line in order to single edge shape. How about we try a different thing? Unity a collider with empty middle. It's to be okay. How to make a ring collider? It's not possible to have a concave shape or a Venex mesh collider by definition. If the ring doesn't move, simply leave off convex, then use it as in a normal mesh collider. If the ring does not move, what? Do you want the solution for this problem? Read what I wrote. I found assets help me in problem because I don't understand the solution. Thanks again for your effort. Sorry late, but maybe help someone else have a look at this attached collider generator. Cookies. What are the cookie settings? Turn on dark mode. Dark mode. Yeah. This content is hosted by third party provider. We don't know why you will accept the target cookies. You don't have for me the cookies. I don't see no cookies. Shit. I would give it an edge collider. Would that work? What other colliders are there? Called edge collider, mesh collider, polygon collider, sphere collider, terrain collider. We could try a mesh collider. So instead of having, yeah, fuck that. We'll keep it there, but we are gonna component edge collider. I have no idea how to actually work an edge collider. Edit collider. I guess it's like that. Okay, so and I guess I just would try and make a circle out of this, huh? So if we want the full circle, we'll do that. Take the middle, extend it there. Extend it there. Extend it there. We'll also take this. Like that. And do the same shit here until we pretty much have a perfect circle. Just go round and round. I do not know if this works. If this does, fuck, I'm a genius. You know, absolute genius. There, like there, like there. Actually, move this a little bit down. Like there, like there. Move this a little bit down. Like there, there. Move this a little bit down. There, there. Move this a little bit down, down, down. Move this a little bit down, a little bit down. There, there, down, there. Actually, up. Yeah. Good enough. It still has the rigid body, so we'll Control S and we'll save it. And look at that! Look at that! It's rolling around inside. So if I were to wait, technically. Oh no. Also, why the fuck are they on the same layer now? Default cube player should be on default layer. There's those default different layers. Why the fuck are rigid bodies? No, still they shouldn't affect each. Whatever, whatever's. We only have a thing now. So Unity move object to position. And the quick set the transform position field. This will change the position of the game object and component and attach it to the quick. Most common ways to move an object. Setting transform position. Oh yeah, this just teleports it. Easy way to set a single axis using extension. Transform set x blah, using vector 3 move towards. Ooh. Show me this, show me this. Okay, serialized field, private vector 3 target new vector, private full speed. Okay, in our code that would. I'm scared it's gonna go like boop and just go through it like boop. But if it does move towards it, big brain, you know. Just absolute giga brain, honestly. Okay, okie dokie. So, to do this, let's see, transform position, there is a move towards. So, we have our game object mouse post center. Which equals mouse post. This is just makes it just go whoop. But that's after this from mouse position center. Actually just understood, just because it's buttoned down, it doesn't care. Like this whole thing I made is useless. But and key down position, we'll need to do it differently. Transform. Instead, mouse world position center. I need mouse world position. We're actually gonna split them up. Actually, it's good that I made this. Echo position. So position enter. Okay, that's fine. So we'll mouse away. What the fuck am I doing here? Mouse post center. My game is just mouse world position center. Did I misspell center? Yes, I did. Mouse position center. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. And now instead we need to geek down mouse sprite mouse world position, but we need not it to equal, but move towards. Transform equals vector 3 dot move towards. Move towards. Let me just see. And transform. We'll go dot move. I Need more examples of move towards. Let's go the move towards. Vector t dot move towards. So float. Transform that position. The vector 3 dot move towards another position. But that's what is the distance to move? And position. Transform target position. Where do we get the target position? Position, camera transfer position equals new vector 3, blah, blah, blah. Camera transfer local area or angles. Full scale local transfer position. Cameraman transform new vector, blah, blah, blah. I need. So step, we need a speed. Need speed. This is gonna be harder than I thought. I will have to move all of this out from player controller and move it to and then okay, we'll do. Is it an int for speed? How did they make the speed? Control F speed. Is this public float speed? Okay, so we'll do a public float speed, and we'll equal that bitch 1.2. I still know where it needs to be F, but they put F on all the things. So emerge object will need okay. Now transform position to equal vector 3 dot move towards, and we go bop and then we'll have this go target position, comma, we'll have this baby be that, and then we'll have comma speed, and that supposedly should work. But instead we'll do it a little bit. We'll still don't have it correctly going. Void update. We need a void update that will calculate it. Well, they have float step. Close distance to move. So I think we also need that. I think we need this float step. Oh, fucking, I'm like, whoa, what's wrong? Yeah. All the time. Okay. But we need step now in the end there. Why? I don't know. Step. Problems. Step. Step. Why is step bad? Why you obey it? You can use local variable step before it's declared. Oh. I'll just... Bop. Problem fixed. Okay. Jesus Christ. Do the wobbly thing. If this actually works, it's gonna be insane. Okay. They're still rigid bodies, aren't they? What the f... Whoa. It's opposite. Why is it opposite? No, so why is it in the wrong object? Why is it stuck in this? I don't know. Okay. First of all, center does not need a rigid body anymore. Rigid body, fucking remove component. No more rigid body for you. Fuck you. I will players play. I'll have the object. It. Why? I do not get this. It's like it doesn't. Why is it in there? What the fuck is going on? When is it? Why? Why? This is the weirdest fucking... You don't see it well, I think, here. Like, okay. So for some reason when it spawns, it instantly, like, you know, it falls down. Makes it, it's a rigid body. But it goes into that, and depending on how I move it, it changes its position. Like, it moves it to a position, but it like adds the force to move to the position, and then it falls again because there's no more positional updates. Oh god. Oh god. Because, like, see? So it just checks how much force it needs to get to that position and then adds it. Wee. Okay, if I remove its rigid body component, okay, maybe it is the rigid body that's fucking with it. Maybe it doesn't need a rigid body. We'll remove the component. No more rigid body for you. Fuck you. Now we'll go. I have no clue. I have no clue why it's doing it like this. Why is it sticking into the fucking cube? Tell it. Okay, It should just be moving to the place from the previous place. Oh, this is just... Before I made these changes, I should have just commented out most of the shit. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this. C. And then I'm gonna go Control Z, 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 Z. Okay. Then we're gonna go to all pop up and press enter and add this. And there it's back. We don't think we have speed anymore. Or is it? Or do I? I do. Ah! Okay. First of all, it's opposite. It is opposite for some reason. I have no idea. I have literally no idea, comrade. I have no idea. I don't know what's wrong. It just no working. So what it does, let's go back to the code. So what we have here, can I just like tell this to fuck off for a bit? There we go, yeah. So we are getting the position, and with the 3 movement, we move towards from transform position to mouse world position. That is where the mouse is when they're holding down the button. And we step it up by this calculation, delta time, that speed. We could lower. But why is it opposite? If I click up, it just goes straight down. I don't get it. I can Google it, I guess. Unity move towards goes opposite. Is it something with the delta time? Let's comment out delta time and place the step with just speed. I'll save that, and we'll go back into here. It's gonna go a little wobbly wobbly wobbly, and we'll try this again. At this point I'm just curious. So we spawn in the world. There's the controller. We click. Why? Why does it? Oh. It like has its max distance. It can actually fucking move. Why is it the center of the? Why is the block the center? What the fuck is going on? Oh. Where the fuck is block the center? Oh my god. No, fuck. Ooh. I have an idea. What if Okay, so you actually did not see that. I'm just gonna go fucking all screens. Whatever. So, this is the bug that I have discovered. Yeah, really loud. So it takes the center as that. Why? Like you could see it like moves correctly, but it has like this range. The funny thing is, this is kind of what I fucking need. Like this, that it follows a center point. If I can make this thing the center point, perfect, absolutely perfect. So, because then it would mean like, let's say if I would click here, it would be just like whoop, like I can see, no. I could change its value, and it just wouldn't go away. That I accidentally, it's perfect. But the problem is, I don't know how I did that. What if would that work? Let's see. If this fucking works, it's gonna be incredible. Oh, no, now it does not give a fuck. No. Why? Why did it give a fuck before? Now it does not give two shits. Fuck you, fucking piece of shit. Also, still don't. I guess because their colliders are maybe on the same layer or something, they could collide. God damn it. Also, I need to do it when get key up, all other things get stopped and removed from the world. Mouse post sprite game object transform position equals meters vector 3 movement 3 from this, like it initiates its start from the middle. Oh, fucking whatever. It initiates its start from the middle, but then it's free to roam. Let's get the step back in as just morbid curiosity. Because also, at this point, they don't even collide with each other. Because it's not moving. Why was it? Collider. And this has this collider. They're both on the same layer. They don't give a fuck. How did I? Oh, also, wait, I'm a dumbass. I am a dumbass. This is still set to speed, not step. A step. Yeah, it doesn't give a shit. God fucking damn it. I don't get it. Or do I get it? When we just give it transform position, I think it defaults to the position that is. It defaults to the position of the cube because this is the player controller script that is inside the cube. So if I would make this inside that, it might work. Ah, this is just a this is worth the experiment. I'm gonna break a lot of things right now, but fuck it. Absolutely fuck it. We'll go Control A, Control C. Yeah. Yeah, just Control A, Control C. We'll I need to move this script. I need to. I'll actually. I'll go this center. Center. I'll add a component. Joystick. Joystick. Yes. Create a new one. Oh. Hello. What?
Did you do it?
I've done a lot of things. Do I have a functional joystick? No.
I knew you were gonna say that.
I'm getting really close. Okay, you wanna see?
Yeah, sure.
I'm getting really fucking close. So, currently what I have, you see my screen, right? This is not gonna be...
One moment. Yeah, I see. Hey, it's a little nip ball.
Don't worry about it. So what happens? Now, wherever I click, it will create the joystick, and now this follows the mouse too.
Oh wow, man.
The problem is, it doesn't give a shit. It just goes everywhere.
Oh, it doesn't.
But I accidentally discovered a feature that's not a bug, but kind of works. So let me just. Okay. So here's my player controller script. It has a lot of shit. Don't worry about it. But the main part is this shit. Let me just extend it. So what is this? Pretty much tells the sprite that is the thing that follows the mouse cursor to move towards a position. Because the problem is why it moves like that. It should collide. It doesn't collide because it just teleports. So because it teleports, it ignores the fucking object. So it doesn't collide. So it doesn't stay inside the thing, right?
Okay.
But I accidentally found out. So what is this? This is, I tell it where to start from. This is where to move to, and this is the step, aka the speed. It's speed, but I don't understand this. I just copied it from the internet. Don't worry about it.
Best practices.
Yeah, whatever. And so what I discovered is I can replace this with this. Transform position. Transform position takes the position of an object, right? So what I found quite accidentally, I'm gonna move that out and replace that with speed. I have a speed variable here at the start, and once I save this, I'll move this away. I hope it works. I previously did, and I was like incredibly surprised. We'll click back in here. It does the wobbly things, and I'm gonna press play. And what will happen now? You see that it weirdly rotates around the cube.
Yeah.
But it's limited. It doesn't go past a certain distance from the cube.
Why does it collide with the cube?
Oh yeah, because it has a collider.
You don't want that, do you?
No, I'm gonna get rid of that later, but that, no.
Like, imagine your fucking controls interact with the fucking game mode. It's awful.
That could be like a interesting
Imagine,
gameplay feature.
Imagine like your tooltips in the games just fucking kill enemies.
Actually, that's a cool ass feature. Like you talk to you talk to a ally, and you can take the speech bubble and whack someone with it or something.
You fucking throw the WAS instructions at him.
Yeah, but like you notice that it weirdly follows this. Like why? Why does it take this as the center, even though it technically should take the center where I click, like this thing? What I found out, this is a theory. I don't actually know if this is true, but it looks like when you just give it transform position, it takes the position of the object that is connected to the script. And because this started out as a player controller script that's located on the player object, it takes this as the middle. So technically, if I move all the code from the player controller script to a new script that's in this fucking thing, it should be limited to it. And it should fucking work. I really hope so. It's been a struggle, boss. But yeah, I've gotten it to this far. So pretty much what I wanted to do, and also how I kind of sketchy way wanted to do it previously, is I created a custom collider edge for this circle. Because you have a circle collider, but it fills in the middle. So if you have an object, it just boop teleports out of it. So I needed to something that's hollow, aka I just made an edge. It just is not connected in this one little place. Potentially it could break because of that, but it's fine. Don't worry about it. So yeah. So currently I am moving all the code from one script to the other. And I hope
Your solution seems very jank. I'm not gonna lie.
it is.
I don't know what I'm looking at, but I can already tell it just seems not like the right way to do it.
No.
I don't really understand what I'm looking at, to be honest, yet, but like I can tell it's not ideal. Okay.
It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Currently, I'm just moving all the code. Looks like it was successful. So actually, how do I? If I wait do the wobbly update things. I'm gonna go to the player controller, and I'm gonna disconnect player controller, so that now it takes this thing as the new thing. I hope this works. This fucking works. Oh, this is gonna be great. Please, please, do it. Press it. Huh. Why did it break? It still gets the mouse position you can see here. I have the mouse position. Dude, mouse position was a fucking struggle. Because you know how it takes mouse position? It doesn't take it in this screen. It takes it your whole fucking monitor. So turns out you have to transform it into a world scale fucking thing. Oh my fucking god.
What are you saying?
When you click your mouse, I have a thing that checks where my mouse is and takes that as the position, as you can see here.
Yeah.
Turns out, originally when you just have a thing that's called, where is it? Mouse position, it takes it on your monitor. Where you click on your monitor, not in the game world. So you literally have to transform that for it to
if you're not
work.
full screen in the game, it's like you click on your fucking desktop and it does something.
Yes.
Why would you want that?
Exactly. So I was like, the problem
What
was
about a game where you gotta like sort, I don't know, a folder faster.
the thing is, because of that, you can see how small the world is I'm currently working in. It's tiny. But because it takes my monitor's fucking position, it appeared somewhere over here. Completely fucked. So I so long fucking debugging that, but you know, we got it in the end. Now I just need to figure out why, oh why, does it not work correctly right now? And I don't know why it doesn't work right now. I really don't know why.
Enough.
So yeah, I've been banging my head against the wall.
That's really cool. What the fuck is he doing? Watching like a time to someone modeling a weapon. I don't have any idea what the fuck I'm looking at.
Dude, yeah. I modeling. I don't know. I still don't know a lot of things about Blender. I'm gonna get into it later because I'm really at this point I don't even have any ideas for 3D games. So I'm like, I'm just gonna stay with 2D.
I have more ideas for 3D games than I do for 2D games.
Oh, that's the yeah. I don't. I was trying to think of a 3D game I would want to make that doesn't exist or something.
Yeah, the only 2D games I play are like strategy games, and then I have to make strategy games.
Yeah.
It's fun. It had to be like smart enough to do all the numbers and
Yeah.
too many numbers.
Hell yeah. I find it interesting that you can literally program a full game by just adding
Honestly,
buttons.
this is the first time I ever want to maybe buy VR. That's just to make a VR game.
VR game would
Making
be
a VR
fun.
game sounds fun.
Yeah, like a VR game, I can imagine what I want to do. That's like so many ideas. But for 3D games, every game that I kind of want to exist already exists. So I just don't know what the fuck I want to make. So 2D games for now. Maybe until I get.
It exists currently, and they want to be better. You know,
I want to be better.
you make your own Warframe.
Warframe just without the grind.
Just, yeah, some better Warframe.
It's better Warframe. Instead of like 1,000 hours needed to get all the items, you just need 100. That'd be nice. Thank you. Please do. It's not like there's RNG on RNG. Like also, I talked about like that I struggled so much to get one certain material that I just got pissed off and stopped playing it. Turns out I'm not the only one. Even though there's a 37% chance people are so fucking struggling to get that thing, everybody's pissed off. So, you know, that's cool. Ah, God. But yeah. Need to figure out why both of those don't update. I have no idea why they don't update. Associate script cannot be loaded. Please fix any compiler errors and then say what? Oh, because the script is what? My script is not.
I feel like to make the guns, what I legitimately do is go into Tarkov and copy their shit. Because there's nowhere better. There's no game that does it better than them.
No,
I might actually level up my character in Tarkov just so I can go and like get the different attachments and like see how they work, how they look.
Making a first-person shooter is supposedly pretty fucking hard.
That's probably the hardest thing ever. Why do you think that's probably the genre that's played the most and has the least amount of games?
But it has the most templates because people are just struggling to make them. That's why like there's a lot of people just make templates for them.
No, they suck.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe they don't. I don't know.
Like because like one of the biggest problems you probably have experienced yourself is like if you play like a shooter and when you scope in, like the FPS just drops or something like that.
And I know scopes in general are really hard to do.
Yeah.
To render the current thing and then the thing far away and basically rendering the aim twice kind of.
Yeah. So people have started to make like shaders that kind of
zoom
in.
Zoom in the current.
Yeah,
But then it's like
ugly.
bad quality.
Yeah.
And I know it's really hard.
Yeah. So
Where?
nobody has at this point made a good way of doing it.
Battlefield seems to do pretty well.
Battlefield.
Magic.
Oh yeah, but that's because if you have like a scope, I think most of the time it just goes black around, so they technically render only one view. But like a long range scope.
Maybe, yeah.
So I
How
think.
else to do? I guess it should make the game itself less demanding. And
Yeah.
Kind of counteracts it.
I think some other games do it different. That where like they, you know, when you increase.
That's probably if I was making FPS, that's probably where most of my time would end up being.
Yeah.
Would end up being how the guns feel and how the scopes feel.
Yeah.
Because a lot of games just fuck that up, and then that's basically your entire game being garbage.
You make like the fucking perfect base layer, and then you just do nothing with it. It just exists.
Oh yeah, just like the best.
Yeah, best
best gun
feeling.
mechanics ever, and then it's like you just shoot like a wall.
That's it.
Your gun shoots blanks, it doesn't do anything.
But it feels great though.
Yeah, I could sell that for a bunch of money though.
Yeah. So it can not be loaded. Please fix any compiler errors and assign a valid. What? Compiler errors?
I wish companies shared how they made games.
Some do. Most don't. It's actually a really interesting thing to watch is Um, how they made a game called Dead Cells. They like because they had like a really interesting rendering technique. Like, do you see my screen?
Yeah.
So you can see the Dead Cells character here in the middle.
You told me already where it's like 3D. It's actually 3D model and like.
So yeah, because they wanted smooth animation, but they wanted to look cartoony. They literally built an external app to transform that to look like that, and that I find to be incredible. And they did a lot of these things. Like Dead Cells development is actually super interesting.
I actually don't mind when like doesn't look like for me the most important thing in a game. It might sound stupid, but if it's a 2D game and it's like not an FPS game,
Yeah.
the only thing that needs to be 144 is the mouse cursor. Nothing else matters. If Terraria just had a 120 or 144 FPS mouse cursor, I'd be like, this is fine. That could be 20 FPS for all I care.
Yeah. No, I think
Because it doesn't, I like people are like retro games. Part of the feel is the fact that it's kind of like whatever.
I was,
frame rate.
yeah, but I still like if a game can give me 144, please do. You know.
Sure, I guess, but like some games don't need it as much as others.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like some games where there's like a lot of detail moving really fast, like Noita runs at 60, but I feel like that would be one of those games that would benefit from 144 purely because each pixel is rendered. If it's rendered at 60 and it moves really fast, it can look a little bit shitty. But if it would be at 144 and all the pixels moving, oh my god, it would be even more beautiful than it already is.
There's so many things in an FPS game, like just how your character, like if it's a multiplayer game, it has to be also be like the character animations and how they interact with the game world.
Yeah, I know.
Like how they interact with steps, their walls, or whatever the fuck.
It's also like in an FPS game, it depends like how you want to render. Are you gonna render your whole body? Are you only gonna render the arms and the
I
gun?
don't know, maybe like a Mirror's Edge type game, right? Where it's like not like I don't know. I like the idea of a game where you beat up guys and then you take their guns and you like throw their guns at people and shit. But it's like more fast paced. Because with the VR with Super Hot, for example,
Yeah,
like it's kind of this slow motion. You're kind of in one spot kind of thing.
yeah.
But imagine a game where like it's more like Mirror's Edge with guns.
My brain is clicking because
or like,
something.
you know the Titanfall like training area kind of thing.
Yeah.
But like that with like expanded kind of.
Something like this exists. My brain is screaming at me that something like this exists.
Shadowrunner or something. But that's not really what that is.
There was a game where you can run around, pick up their guns, you run out of ammo, you yeet their guns at them. I know this exists, I saw it, but I haven't played it.
Not Super Hot?
It wasn't Super Hot, no. It was like an actual shooter. It might have been a demo, or somebody was actually... Oh, I think somebody was actually working on it. I saw a dev blog on it.
I'll make a better version.
At one point I watched so many devlogs. That's how I got like some basic understanding of things, how they work and how you make them. Okay. Actually, if you just search devlogs, there's so many insane Oh yeah, the game was, I think you jump around on building rooftops, from rooftop to rooftop. You can slide over different types of objects, and then you can kick, get the gun, throw.
I watched like a Tarkov devlog, and they literally like go into like the springs of the guns and shit like that.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck? Why is that even relevant? When does the gun spring come into play in Tarkov?
Yes.
I'm trying to understand how the gun works and then.
Oh, this is something similar. I remember. If you see my screen.
Too much detail.
Meet Carlson. Carlson likes to drink milk and kick ass, and he's all out of milk.
So here's the thing: you can run around, shoot at people, grab their guns, and I think you could also yeet your guns at them if you run out of bullets.
No, it's gonna be nothing like this.
Yeah, but like you will make that 3D, I guess.
Just imagine Mirror's Edge.
Yes.
So this review has to begin with a bit of
Not
story.
this. This is not music.
With OnePlus, who
Alright,
spent
well,
a few
finish
months this
watching
year
this.
hyping
Okay, whatever. Okay.
Number one.
My brain is cooked, honestly.
The Ouya.
The oh yeah,
Or the Ouya.
oh yeah.
No one does. I do.
I remember oh yeah. It was bad.
Yeah, it was not great.
Like, look all the games you can play. I can play them on my phone, but now you can play them on your TV. I can already do that.
Actual landfill.
Actual landfill, yeah. That's the funniest thing. Like, you can connect phones to TVs, so you literally have that same experience now. Without any problems. It's fucking dumb. I just... Something... Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Hold up,
Something
wait a
happening.
minute, let me grab some in it.
Dude, I was bidding on a Switch on eBay,
Yeah.
and some dude paid more than you can buy it for new. No,
What the
I'm
fuck?
sad. Yeah, I don't know. We could buy it now, and it's the same fucking price since like it's like the same. I don't know.
Oh, that's quality. You don't
Yeah.
understand, guys. That's you don't.
I was like, fuck, I'll just throw a price. I don't care. Like, fuck it, and then
Why is it broken? Why are you broken? Okay, back to script. Okay, we'll remove this.
I think for my first game, I'll just follow a thing. I am fine with that, just to get feel for it. I know it's not like
Yeah.
the best, but it'd be cool to actually have something at the end of it. Great, like in not 3 years.
What? You don't want to slam your head against the wall for 3 years?
Oh,
Man, you're no fun.
I know. Sorry. I'm actually wondering if hacking the Switch is worth it because games are so fucking expensive.
Do what to a Switch?
Jailbreak it, essentially.
Supposedly you really can't.
No, you definitely can.
Let's see. I remember there being a thing, but nowadays I don't know if it's even possible.
Yeah, I mean, but I'm wondering if it's like,
jailbreak,
I don't know, like, cause we save so much money.
how to
They
jailbreak?
charge. You definitely can. It's just probably like certain switches and certain, and not easy and annoying and.
Oh
who
yeah.
knows, but-
You must jailbreak your Nintendo Switch.
Should you buy a
Must.
Nintendo Switch in 2021? It's a great question because it's a Switch that was built before August 2019. And the reason for this is in 2019, Nintendo patched a vulnerability in the chip inside.
I just want to pay
This-
$80
Oh.
for Breath of the Wild.
Oh yeah. You cannot jailbreak a Switch because there was a vulnerability to break it.
Is it patched?
Yes, and it's a hardware patch kind of thing. The only way you can get into it now, you need to buy a Switch that was made between 2000 before 2019 or before 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah. So first of all, you need to find one. Second of all, you need to find one in good condition. Third, fucking you have to buy it.
The actual console isn't expensive, but the games are like
Yeah.
the games I own basically for free on PC are like $30.
Yeah. If the Nintendo Switch came with a dual boot into Android, I will buy it in a heartbeat. I will.
Yeah, but then people would just hack the fuck out of it and they wouldn't make any money. That's why they don't do that.
Yeah. I
How they
still.
make their money? They don't make the money on the console. They make. I mean, maybe they do make some money, The
Yeah.
main money they make is from selling you the games.
Yeah, but the thing is, if it would run Android, you still couldn't really run the games.
Sure, someone would fucking find a
Somebody would find in
yeah,
like
in
5
4 minutes.
years. In 5.
No, in 4. It's Android, so it's really easy to modify Android. It's really hard to modify their whatever fucking Nintendo OS they have.
But it
They
won't.
do it so fast. They would
Dude.
just find a way to.
They took so long to get it to run on a PC. Do you really think they're gonna do it on
What
Android as
PC?
fast? Like Breath of the Wild. They're still struggling to optimize
they
it
would,
to be.
I don't know. I'm saying they would find some way to fucking port, like, skip the dual boot and then load the fucking game
Oh,
onto the
yeah.
other OS. Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
that'd happen very fast.
Yeah, somebody would get like an ISO that you can do to
Who knows?
avoid
I
all
don't
the
know.
yeah.
I don't understand it, but I'm sure wouldn't take very long if people figure it out.
Like because there's sometimes where I'm like, man, I really wish I had like a tablet, because I was thinking like I want to read the documentation, but I don't want to sit in my PC and read.
Does the Switch do browsers and stuff?
That's why I want it to have Android. If it has Android, I can use it as a fucking tablet. You
At
know?
that point, just buy a tablet. I get you want to have both in one. If you
Yes.
want both in one, then just buy the Steam Deck. I don't know. Then it doesn't have the Nintendo games. I want this
Yeah.
just for games. I don't want to do anything else. I don't care if it's a paperweight other than that.
No, I wanted to have
I really want it just
games.
for games.
I wanted to have YouTube and other stuff. And there are some Android games I do like to play once in a while. And if I had that, damn, boy, you know? Plus the quality games of Nintendo.
Oh wow!
Mm.
You really cannot do browser on it. This guy like
Yeah.
launched. What the? That's awful.
Buy a Switch.
I guess they don't want people looking up
around-
porn on this. I don't know. I don't really know.
I don't know, dude. Maybe they're afraid that, you know,
That's terrible.
somebody's gonna download something to break it.
Yeah.
If I go to eBay and go,
I'm pretty sure in like the PlayStation it's pretty easy to launch browser.
yeah, oh yeah,
I don't think you really want to, but
2019. If I Google Nintendo Switch 2019 on eBay,
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, just.
there are some. Oh, it's a V2. Ah. Ooh, ah.
What are you looking for?
A
Is it
Nintendo.
hacked?
The one that you can hack to have Android on.
Just look up like jailbroken or something. on your phone.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm sure. it's
Jailbroken?
I don't know, something like that. Hacked? I don't know.
You can probably check it on. Oh, unpatched. Probably unpatched. So yeah. Oh man, that'd be cool. Maybe I need to look into this. I'm down with that. Like there are some Nintendo games I want to play.
I want to play all the Mario games, I want to play all the first-party games. I couldn't give a fuck about the other games because I mean I could play it on PC, like I said, or like some games maybe. But like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean. There's
Yeah.
some games where just like you just can't play them anywhere else. And I also have a lot of time I spend on the bus. I don't know about you, but
I spend about 20 to 40 minutes on the bus, sometimes longer. And that's just to work, so front and back, you know. I usually just watch videos while I'm on the bus. Because I'm kind of another one reason I'm kind of looking into a Switch is I really haven't played Nintendo games much. I think I should give them a fair shake because so many people love them. I did like
so I'm
Breath of
saying,
the
I
Wild.
feel that people aren't just like people love the games, so there must be something to them.
Yes, and I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna play them, and so I'm kind of like, maybe I'm missing it.
Yeah. I agree.
But
I never
also,
really,
I'm scared if I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna be like, I play one game and then I'm not gonna use it at all.
They just flipped it for the same price you bought it.
I don't.
Or something near. I don't know.
I hate the hassle
mean,
of reselling. it.
don't buy digital games. Only buy cartridges because
Yeah, yeah,
they retain their value.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like in Steam, like you're not gonna buy in a CD or something. It's not, you
Yeah.
know, you have to put a code in anyway, and then it's garbage.
Uh,
But here, I think it's actually like cartridge based, so it's worth. Yeah. Here I got a free copy of Animal Crossing. Huh. Animal Crossing. Sorry. Animal Crossing. I got to cross animals.
oh, crossbreeding?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Ooh. Not good. Not
Not
pog.
not pog. Big not pog.
Crossing animals. Cross animal.
Cross animal.
Double cross animal.
Double cross. What? Something's wrong. Something's wrong. I can feel it.
Not function.
Why is everything broken?
I don't actually like eBay, but I don't think I can't think of anything else in Germany.
Aye.
I know about. I guess Amazon. Ooh, just look Amazon D. That wouldn't even give me any. Amazon, spend less. Smile. That's not creepy.
Spend less. I told you, spend less. Just like angry, gets more angry. Spend. How dare you spend more? Spend less.
You're like Nintendo's are in stock. Nintendo Switches are in stock. Yeah, I feel like everything on fucking Amazon's out of stock at all times.
Well, if you're gonna buy new, then just wait for the OLED version, I guess.
No, I don't care. I don't give a fuck.
Uh,
Yeah, I don't want to spend extra anyway.
But you will get an Ethernet port on your dock,
Okay, cool. So I can.
and an OLED screen, and
have
supposedly
one
better
now?
speakers.
Can I just buy the dock later? I want one.
I don't know. Legitimately, I don't fucking know.
Also, I'm probably just gonna buy the light version anyway.
Ah, you are
So-
gonna.
Probably, I don't know. Maybe if I can find a good price in the one, but I don't know, because I've been told the other one is better for more comfortable in handheld mode.
The bigger, the main one?
Yeah, I don't really think I'll be playing it much when I get back home. When I get back home,
Yeah.
there's other things I'm doing, like, you know, whatever the fuck
Yeah.
I might be doing. I'm not really playing games that much, so it's more on the go when you can't really do anything on the go. You can't really get work done when you're in a bus. It's like nothing you can really do.
Yeah, you're not gonna pull out a full-on laptop, but pull out this
Yeah,
thing out
it's
of...
yeah, the thing wobbles, people are annoying, it's not
Yeah.
uncomfortable. When I'm on the go playing a game, I don't care.
Yeah, I definitely play some games on the go.
That's
I actually, I don't know at which work, but at one work I actually did play games during lunch hour. I've eat my lunch, I have some free time. Currently I have about like 20 minutes of free time, you know, pull out the game, quickly play something, just, you know, stop it and come back later, you know, that'd be fucking cool.
ooh, 4 games. That's gonna be fucking ass games.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
What the fuck are these? What are these?
What are you?
Flashback classics? Black Sad?
Black Sad?
I don't I saw there.
I'm really holding
Mario?
holding back the wish to make a racist joke at this point. Okay.
They made a console that only plays like shitty old games.
Oh, you mean those retro consoles?
This is from Nintendo though. official.
Oh yeah, they have. There's one for Nintendo, one for Sega, one for Atari. There's like 3 or 4 of them at this point, and I kind of want them. Just a cool little thing under your like TV, and you can just plug in and play some older consoles. It would be fun. I miss some of the old games. I know I can always emulate them, but supposedly they run good on those things.
Nice price.
Yeah, I'm giving up.